I think the one thing that people could really know about Fire and Ice is that we believe in a simple philosophy of doing it right the first time or not doing it at all. As the first impression of the company, when we're out there, we want to really make sure you truly understand all aspects of what you're getting from a professional standpoint, the knowledge, the thoroughness, and the attention to detail that we as a company here at Fire and Ice provide each and every customer every time. So to me, furnace installation actually has a few different aspects to it, okay? There's the initial front end where the residential sales professional will come out and do the full system evaluation and make sure that the sizing is correct for the system by completing what's called a load calculation. On the day of install, our team will come in, remove the existing equipment, make any modifications necessary, and then put in and reconnect all of the new equipment. So the third stage of install for us as a company is the follow-up, okay? When we are the main point of contact on the front end, we also come back on the back end to make sure that we're happy with the way the equipment was installed, that you're satisfied with the job that we did, and that we're also happy with the overall operation and functionality of the new system. One of the things that we do to make sure that your system is operating perfectly from the start is we do a full startup and commissioning report. There's 57 points on the commissioning form that we go through and make sure that from day one, it's operating within manufacturer specifications. The average price range for a new furnace installation ranges from about $3,000 up to about $7,600. The price range for the installation of a full system, which is the furnace and the air conditioner, can range anywhere from $7,400 all the way up to $20,000. The sizing of the equipment and type of equipment is largely affected by the size of the home, the type of the home, albeit single story, two story, split level, and the different comfort in which you specifically are looking for as a homeowner. Here at Fire and Ice, we offer 3 different brands of equipment. We have Trane, Carrier, and Mitsubishi mini split systems. The types of systems can range depending on the comfort level you're looking for your home. There's single stage, 2-stage, and then variable speed systems. For more information on the type of equipment that we offer, we have a ton of information on our learning center at indoortemp.com. The biggest things that we do that add value to the installation process is making sure that the load calculation is done on the front end so that we have the accurate size equipment for your home. Then on the day of install, we do that full startup and commissioning report, making sure that it is operating within manufacturer specifications from the minute that it's installed. And then we come back again about a week or 2 later to make sure that the system was installed properly, is working properly, and that you have overall customer satisfaction in our work. If you want more information on furnace systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to making your day even better.